Obviously, there are many use cases you may be using Clipchamp for. There may be usage for the YouTube, there may be usage for the Instagram, and for your TikTok shorts, or maybe a YouTube shorts. So the possibilities actually the endless, and how you can utilize this particular software to do the same. And before jumping on to the next part, let's see how you can change the aspect ratio of your clips. So obviously here it is in the aspect ratio of the YouTube. As you can see, 16:9, which is the standard for any YouTube videos out there. And here you can actually change it with the help of this particular button. So how? Just click on it, and there are number of resolutions or aspect ratios available. There is a landscape mode. I don't think you will be needing it. Mostly you will be needing the vertical, which is good for your Pinterest. If I click on this, obviously all my project will be aligned accordingly. So if I want to just add something to it, just like that, just center that particular thing out. Or what I can do is just this and add some my face to the middle, so that it just look like I'm just behind this particular screen. I'm just explaining something out. And now we can add a background to it. So how to add that? So let's browse some templates. Obviously I don't need any templates out there, but there may be a background, or if I'm just using it for the Pinterest, we can easily use some Instagram-y. Go to the stock video, and there is a background section which I want to use, and there is n number of backgrounds available. Obviously for the Instagram, these neon lights works like a charm, but there are others also available. Like here, it all will depend upon your taste, whichever you want to do. And I'll just love this, and let me add that the behind. So let it import for a second. Now the clip has been imported. Obviously you are not seeing on the editing template, right? So for that part, you can do is just select this particular template or a clip item. Just it is already selected here. If I just drag it to the home, let me do it. So there it is, and this sounds really great. Let me just edit again, or we can add more something to there. And to add to the branding, I just want to delete this for now because it doesn't just look good. And for this part, for the subtitle part, it's already there, and it is not much of a hassle. Let me just duplicate it using the duplicate option. So this sounds perfect. So here what we can do is, this is something which you will like, and now this is the aspect ratio which you can choose for your Pinterest. And if you want to change it to the 1:1, which is for the Facebook out there, this is for the portrait for the IGTV and any mobile videos, just like that. You can easily change the aspect ratio of your video using this particular option. That's it. That's